You've attended all 3 sessions today. What were the highlights for you?
The highlights is that there is optimism from the bankers and the consultants. Obviously, ship owners and operators are in need for that optimism because really there is a positivity there in the industry and in the market, despite some, trade restrictions and issues that are there. However, it does bring some opportunities. Saying that, we had more understanding into really where is the perhaps some reservation you have with the financiers, for example, and we could sort of work together on this from these 3 sessions.
Okay. One of the papers that I think was unusual was the presentation on scrubber financing. I know scrubbers is a topic that you personally have investigated quite extensively. The messages that came out of the scrubber financing presentation, was there anything there that you found particularly useful or valuable?
Well, it's very interesting to see how the financiers looking into this subject and to support really their clients. Nevertheless, we don't need really to stereotype and put too much highlights on the scrubber. It is the subject of today. Nevertheless, if you take it on a bigger picture, what you have is only 4% from the global fleet really is moving in that direction. There are other large percentages where they're going with the compliant fuel, and there is also a large percentage which they just playing wait and see a game. Nevertheless, there are also more important subjects that we've touched on here, is also about the energy efficiency. Because if you elect as a ship owner or operator with the bank or your lenders to go and opt for the installation of the scrubber, you also move towards as well the energy efficiency and reducing your fuel consumption. So therefore, if your finances and your calculations have shown some positivity, in fact, you could do it even more than expected if you really also move towards reducing your fuel consumption and have your payback time in much quicker than you've expected. This is a very lengthy debate and discussion. Nevertheless, what's important is very interesting in that paper to see the point of view of the banks and how really they are eager to extend the help and the support for people who are in the dilemma today. Yeah.
So overall, how have you found today? Has it been as valuable as you expected?
Well, 4th event being held in the UAE capital, Abu Dhabi. It just shows that this is becoming more important milestone, that it remains to be on our agenda. It's important also to see the support of the UAE system to and also stakeholders within the system really to make this event successful, like Abu Dhabi Ports, Dubai Maritime City, and the other players within the market here, like DTA and also Hyperloop, where we had the debate today. It was very interesting, and we really wish all involved in that project all the success, because it might be with a let's say a positive smile that it can change and revolutionize the face of transportation.
Yeah. Well, thank you very much, and good to see you again.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you.